Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Malo Tutorials. In this video, we are showing exactly how to determine the less than cumulative frequency and the greater than cumulative frequency step by step. So here we are given a statement which is saying a crop science student grew 50 baby carrots using special soil. She then dug them up to measure their length to the nearest millimeter and group the results as shown below. So here we are being shown the length, the range of the length of the baby carrots, and then these are the number of carrots which have been found having the length of 150 to 154. We found out we're having 5 carrots, and then the length of 155 to 159 we're having 2 carrots, and so on. So now the question is saying, using the frequency distribution table given here, calculate the following: the less than cumulative frequency and the greater than cumulative frequency. So how are we going to determine this? So this is a very simple stuff. So what we're going to do is just adding two columns here for the less than cumulative frequency and the greater than cumulative frequency. So here we need to just add another 2 columns here. Yeah, so this one is going to be the column for less than cumulative frequency, and then the another column is going to be for greater than cumulative frequency. So how are we going to calculate for the, all right, let me just complete this rows. So here, to find the first less than cumulative frequency, we are going to take this frequency as it is. So this one is going to be our first less than cumulative frequency. And then now I'm going to calculate for the second less than cumulative frequency. To calculate for the less than cumulative frequency, we're going to say this 5 here plus this second frequency here. So plus 2, we're going to get 7. So 7 is going to be our second less than cumulative frequency. For the third less than cumulative frequency, I can say this 7 plus the frequency 6, I'm going to get 13. And then here we repeat the process, 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8, which is going to be 21. And 21 plus 9 is equal to 30. 30 plus 11, which is equals to 41. 41 plus 6, the 6 is going to be 47. 47 plus 3 is equals to 50. So this is how you calculate for the less than cumulative frequency. So if you need to confirm if this is correct, so this less than cumulative frequency must be equals to the total frequency here. So let us first calculate for the total frequency to confirm if this is correct, because this total frequency must be equal to this, to the last less than cumulative frequency. So we're going to say 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 6 plus 3, and get 50. So here the total frequency is 50. So this total frequency you're saying is equal to this to the last less than cumulative frequency, meaning to say it's total correct. So it means what you've done is correct if this one and this one is the same. So now how are we going to calculate for the greater than cumulative frequency or for more than cumulative frequency? So for the greater than cumulative frequency, the first one, we're going to just take this total frequency, which is 50. And then the second one, we're going to say this first greater than cumulative frequency minus the first frequency, and it's going to be 45. And then we say this 45 minus the second frequency, which is 43. And then we say 43 minus the third frequency. So 43 minus 6 is 37. And then we say 37 minus 8. 37 minus 8 is 29. And 29 minus 11 is 18. Sorry, there's a mistake which happens here. I've said 37 minus 8, and then here it's supposed to be 29 minus 9. Sorry. Here it's supposed to be 29 minus 9, and then 29 minus 9, which is 20. So here our answer was supposed to be 20. And then here it's supposed to say 20 minus 11. So 20 minus 11 is 9. So here we're supposed to get 9. Then here we'll say 9 minus 6. answer is 3. So if you want to confirm if the calculation is correct, is right or wrong, this last greater than cumulative frequency must be equal to the last frequency, as we are seeing here that this last frequency is equal to the last greater than cumulative frequency. So this is how you calculate for the less than cumulative frequency and the greater than cumulative frequency. This one is called the greater than cumulative frequency or more than cumulative frequency. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.